You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American religious leader and politician. If you want to learn how to say the name of the university in Utah that's named after him, it's the same thing. Brigham Young. Brigham Young is how you say his name. And the name of this university, Brigham Young University, or University. Brigham Young. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.